Hey, so I completely forgot to vlog. So I'm doing it now. Can you guess where we're going? Where are we going?
The pool.
The what?
The pool. The P-double-R-L.
Yeah. We go to the pool and spend like half an hour. That should be enough, right? Half an hour's enough.
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes?
Not an hour.
Anyway,
2 hours.
We're gonna go to the pool.
Watch on.
And then we're gonna go home and clean up the rest of the house. So exciting.
And
Oh
then
yeah, so we just picked up the newspapers there in the boot.
and then never deliver them because we don't want to.
I do.
It's in there, yeah.
Oh, I thought.
Here he comes. Hey guys. Hi buddy.
Hey.
Got your goggles.
Upside down.
I don't know.
Is there an upside down for
I
goggles?
think there is. Oh wait, there's like writing on the side. Oh well, who cares? Get in. Oh, I'm just gonna go for it. It's because it's warm. Okay, I'm gonna get in there with Nick.
Have fun.
Are you gonna get in?
No way. Have fun.
Okay, I'm going to get into the warm, nice, sexy swimsuit.
Let's get going.
It's coming up a little bit and I'm going in. It's actually really cold, but it's not warm at all.
Burns like hell.
Really,
Face burns like hell.
I'm really hungry, but I don't mind. I don't.
So we just got out of the pool. I didn't film much because we weren't allowed. I have no shoes on.
And I got a new controller.
They're buried somewhere underneath all that junk.
Oh, I can't wait to get home and test the new controller out. And it's a creeper one, so it's my favourite game on it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Let me just...
So we're just getting rid of all this junk to the op shop.
This is my change.
And he just bought a brand new remote.
And this is my change.
Okay, we're helping now. Steven, show us your remote.
Paid $84 for this. So it's more expensive to get a plain one than actually get a picture.
Oh, that's cool.
Here.
Good morning, guys. We're super tired because we just woke up and we're delivering newspapers again. After this, I think we're going to get some breakfast.
I'm going to McDonald's.
Yeah, I think that's where we're going.
Because I didn't spend a cent.
Mum's doing the catalogs.
What just pops out?
Are you having fun?
Loads of fun.
Oh, that's CBA and my
Run,
butt.
run.
That's Steven's butt right there.
Don't shake the phone too much. He's delivering too. And I'm driving. Sure. Up.
Hi there, Steven.
Oh, it's a cul-de-sac.
See how much better I am at braking than Mum?
You're psycho.
Don't zoom in too much.
I'm not zooming in.
Driving a manual. I'm in my mum's car. Brum, brum.
Oh, no.
You okay?
Do you think I'm alright?
This is what happens when Stephanie farts. Poor boy was choking.
Why do you need to film this?
This is your first coffee that you bought, so it's a special time. It needs to be captured. Does it taste delicious?
Yeah.
Does it smell delicious?
Yeah.
I thought it was just going to be something like this.
Hey guys, so it's a bit later now and we're just chilling and having a break. So as you can see right there's a puppy here and he's so cute. So Auntie Lisa is actually watching him for a friend. So when Auntie Lisa comes over, puppy comes over. So I'm going to introduce you guys to him. This is Bear, everyone. His name is Bear.
Should have been monkey or something.
Come over here with him. Here he is. Isn't he adorable? I'm gonna put him down and show you a bit more of him. He is one crazy puppy. He's gotten bigger from last time we saw him, but...
Oh, look at that.
He's just trying to look.
Yum, yum, yum. But the way he licks, he's like,
Yeah. He's crazy.
he bit my ear twice.
He loves to snuggle though, like he's crazy puppy.
He's so cute from this angle.
He's trying to lick you. Yeah, so Auntie Lisa's babysitting him for a bit until the owner can get a house. And yeah, he comes over sometimes. And he's just the cutest thing.
Yeah, until he gets close to your ears.
That is one savage pupper. No, literally, he bit his ears off.
Twice!
Come here, crazy puppy. If you go to my Instagram, you can find some really cute photos of him on there.
He tried to bite my neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. He's trying to bite his foot. He's like, meow.
So we're just chilling in the backyard with puppy. We are trying to get organized for moving. Well, what we're gonna do is actually put our stuff in storage and then go stay with my brother. So that's gonna be really fun.
I'm not in the frame.
Sorry, get you in the frame. And then we're gonna
I
go.
don't know how we ended up like that.
And then we're gonna go camping for like a month or something and see what happens. Yeah, and we're gonna just
I'm gonna lay down straight and see what he does.
see where we go from there.
Steph, let him go. I want to see what he does.
I wish we could take this puppy with us because he's adorable. Wait,
Go
wait.
do the gonad.
He's leading. There you go.
Oh no. Ow!
Oh, guys.
Stop biting my ear.
I have a TikTok account now and it's super fun. And I'm not sure if you can link it or whatever, but I'll put it in the description so you guys can go check out my TikTok account. Yeah, and so we're just gonna chill with this puppy. What just happened?
Farted.
You farted in my room too.
You deserve to be in the box.
Stinks. No, don't. He doesn't want to. He's one stanky doggy. Oh.
I think you broke him. Oh, the poor little thing.
I'm trying to get him comfortable.
You tuckered him out, you and Nicholas.
There we go.
You played with him too much.
Does he look comfortable? There we go. He's comfy now.
He's falling asleep.
He's not comfortable. I don't know where his other feet are.
His other feet.
Oh, here's one. He's like... You can't see it, but... Okay, he's trying to wait. He doesn't... Okay. No, disturbing now.
Dog nap time.